Carl. Carl recently found out that a car part he needs costs 10 times the price of a used part. He doesn't have time to call or search every salvage yard in his area. He would save hundreds of dollars, but if only he had help. PartDispatch's patent-pending process delivers the parts you need through our network of qualified pickers, dispatched from local salvage yards to your doorstep. Before PartDispatch, Carl would spend hours combing through catalogs, online sites, and private collector groups to find parts that would take days and sometimes weeks to arrive. PartDispatch.com. There is no other company that saves you time and money delivering the parts you need. Savings are easy. Simply download the PartDispatch app. Start by scanning your VIN number or enter the year, make, and model of the vehicle you need parts for. Pay for your part and we will dispatch a picker. Track and receive updates from start to finish. Don't worry, if your part is not locally deliverable, we can arrange shipment. Finally, you are free to save on parts you need and have them delivered within hours. Would you like to know when you can start saving hundreds or even thousands of dollars on your next car repair? Go to PartDispatch.com to sign up for more information.
PartDispatch.com